Hi guys, in this video we will see how to turn off location metadata of your clicked photos or videos on your iPhone, or also you can delete any existing photo or video of your iPhone. To turn off location data, go to any photo and you can see location is enabled. Here this is photo, and if you want to click a new photo, then this photo will be not including any location data. To do so, go to settings. Here go to privacy and security, tap on it. Here scroll down and tap on location services. Here share my location in settings, scroll down and go to the camera app, tap on it, and now this is selected. While using the app, choose never or ask next time of when I share. Choose never. Your location data will not be displayed on your clicked photos or videos on your iPhone. And if you want to delete a location data from your existing photos and videos on your photo app of your iPhone, go to photos and choose any photos, and here swipe up and you can see location services is turned on. Now we will turn off it. Simply swipe up and go to location, and here you will find adjust, and here tap on no location. Now you can see your existing photos and videos not having any location metadata on your iPhone. So you can easily remove location tag from your existing photos as well as permanently disable location tag on your iPhone photos.